Say goodbye to hand pumps with this cordless inflator from Ryobi. It can inflate 8 queen-size mattresses on a single charge. The built-in nozzle compartment, the deflation mode, and the compact design make it perfect for camping, kiddie pools, or vacuum packing your clothes. It runs on the USB lithium battery system and costs $54. This compact impact wrench from Milwaukee is a game-changer for auto shops. Despite being just 11 cm long and 5 cm wide, it easily reaches tight spots under the hood. Weighing only 750 grams, it's the lightest in its class, yet it's pretty powerful, with 305 Nm of torque. It retails for $329. Skill's collapsible lantern is great for tight spots and small workspaces. It provides full 360-degree illumination for up to 9 hours on a single charge, with a maximum brightness of 300 lumens. A retractable hook makes it easy to hang indoors or outdoors, for example on a shelf or even a tree branch. It also includes a USB-C port for charging your devices. The lantern goes for $32. The Tight Reach is a 26 cm lifesaver for mechanics. When a bolt or clamp is buried deep or surrounded by hot engine parts, this extension tool comes to the rescue. A vice-like locking mechanism keeps it steady until the job is done. It's available for $22. The Tap Buddy is a must-have accessory for tasks that involve not just drilling holes, but also tapping threads. Its advanced design ensures proper lubrication, cooling, and chip removal. It supports drill bits up to 12.7 mm and can be clipped onto your belt when not in use. It's priced at $68. The Dremel Blueprint DD12V cordless drill stands out with a built-in bubble level, laser level, stud detector, and LED lighting. It's a great companion for mounting a TV, fixing kitchen cabinets, or setting up a home gallery wall. With a top speed of 800 RPM, it handles all of these jobs with ease. This versatile drill is available for $100. The Hilti DX2 power-actuated fastening tool is built for driving single nails into concrete and steel. It's ideal for attaching formwork, scaffolding, or metal mesh, and it handles nails up to 62 mm in length. The tool requires minimal upkeep and is backed by a 20-year limited warranty, which is a testament to its reliability. It sells for $544. The compact cordless MoSpace airbrush will appeal to both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It offers 3 spray modes and boasts a 20 cm range, which is pretty impressive considering its size. It also features built-in LED lighting and runs for up to 3 hours on a single charge. MoSpace is priced at $69. The MakerPi T-Vise isn't your typical vise, it's a fractal one. Its uniquely designed jaws gently hug the workpiece as they tighten, distributing pressure evenly and preventing distortion or damage. That means perfect clamping for all your projects. A set of 2 vices with a jaw travel of 45 and 90 mm respectively costs $350. The Titana Tiroler 2.0 is a miniature curve measuring tool. With each full rotation, it gives off a satisfying click, marking 10 cm in the metric version or 5 inches in the imperial one. A silicone O-ring adds grip, but it can be removed if needed. This precision tool is available for $65. Wolfcraft brought a compact cutter to this lineup, useful for making openings in drywall, as well as for deburring and widening holes in plastic. A marking tip improves accuracy during operation, and the cutter is priced at just $19. The Untwist tool is a dream come true for anyone working regularly with Cat5e, Cat6, Cat6a, or Cat7 cables. This cordless tool untwists, separates and straightens wires with the press of a button. It combines 200 RPM with up to 3 Nm of torque. It's available for $100. This chisel from Blue Spruce Toolworks is ideal for fine woodworking. Its standout feature is the interchangeable blades, perfect for tasks like cleaning up dovetail joints. Made from cryogenically treated A2 steel, the chisel promises durability and strength. A set including one handle and one blade sells for $110. Milwaukee's engineers impress us yet again. Their compact chainsaw paired with an M18 6.0 high-output battery showed outstanding endurance. After 50 cuts through logs 10 cm in diameter, 3 bars of battery remained. A great option for those who need a compact tool built for long, demanding work sessions. Repairing damaged flooring is a lot easier with this restoration kit from Bihui. It includes a soldering iron, several scrapers, and 16 wax sticks designed to fill cracks, chips, and other minor defects. You also get a polyurethane sponge for final polishing and a cleaning cloth for the soldering tip. In tight spaces where standard impact wrenches fall short, this compact pneumatic model steps in. Even though it's just 105mm long, it delivers 813 Nm of torque and spins at 8,000 RPM. Lightweight and easy to control with one hand, it's a great pick for auto repair shops. The NS32 cable cutter handles armored cables up to 32mm in diameter. Thanks to its reliable ratchet mechanism and blades unlockable from any position, it handles even the toughest jobs. Weighing just 600 grams, it's light enough for one-handed use. This tool sells for $70. These shears are designed for cutting cable ducts, as well as working with soft wood, rubber, and plastic components. The $25 set includes 2 tools with anti-slip handles and adjustable cutting angles from 22 to 135 degrees. The Angle Pro makes working with hidden fasteners a lot more enjoyable. It adjusts easily to your desired gap between boards. Just watch how simple installation becomes when paired with Deck Elite fasteners and their dual-threaded design. And this handy tool costs just $70. The team at Delixi offers a set of versatile transforming pliers. Swap out the head and the tool becomes a wire stripper, a cable clamp, a crimping tool, or even shears for cutting metal up to 0.5mm thick. This cordless cutter handles cardboard, fabric, leather, and plastic with ease. The alloy steel blade with a titanium coating stays sharp for up to 100,000 cuts. Unlike many similar tools, this one runs for a full hour on a single charge and weighs just 350 grams. It's priced at $50. The Bielmeier is a smart purchase. For just $28, you get 2 tools in one housing, a stapler and a brad nailer. The tool is cordless, and one battery charge is enough for 850 staples. With a firing rate of 50 shots per minute, the Bielmeier is a reliable assistant for repairs, woodworking, and creative projects. It's ready to work with a wide variety of materials from fabric to wood. If you're tired of inconvenient flashlights that always need to be held in your hand, this cordless model might be the solution. It can be mounted on a hook, attached with a magnet, used in carabiner mode, or simply placed on a reasonably flat surface. In terms of performance, the flashlight is also impressive. It produces up to 1,000 lumens of brightness and runs for 18 hours on a single charge. The price is $35. The insulated screwdriver Wera 410 IVDE is an essential tool when it comes to tightening or loosening fasteners. Its anatomically shaped handle fits perfectly in the hand, allowing you to apply maximum force without discomfort. The screwdriver is certified for live circuit work up to 1,000 volts, and it's sold for $57. The Spyder Pro is a practical holster designed to hold a wide variety of tools, from a tape measure and a hammer to a drill and a reciprocating saw. It clips onto any belt and allows tools to be removed easily with one hand. Its compact design makes it possible to wear multiple Spyder Pro holsters at once. One holster costs $45. This clamp meter from Hazet is worth your attention, especially since it meets the Cat 3 600V standard. That means it's suitable not only for working with outlets and household appliances, but also with distribution cabinets and multi-phase electric motors. The meters measure both AC and DC current, voltage, and resistance. They can also test circuit continuity. The price is $187. The Culp series of hydraulic cylinders combines an ultra-low profile with a lifting capacity of up to 100 tons. This is an ideal solution for challenging applications where every millimeter matters. A single cylinder rated for 10 tons is priced at $783. This putty knife is the definition of a multi-tool. It combines 14 tools in one, serving as a nail puller, a can opener, a roller cleaner, and more. It also comes with 2 interchangeable bits. Streak-free clean windows without any hassle? Easy! Ryobi's window cleaner makes glass shine effortlessly. A special microfiber attachment tackles stubborn grime, and once you're done with the windows, you can use it on mirrors, shower doors, and even tile. Its suction is powerful enough to clean up spilled liquids from a table or the floor, and it can be yours for $100. The Laserliner PowerCross Laser 8G was built with professionals in mind. It comes in at $900, but it delivers. The level has an accuracy of plus or minus 0.1 millimeters per meter, along with self-leveling and tilt compensation. It projects 8 bright lines, 4 horizontal and 4 vertical, and can be controlled via remote or smartphone. Enerpac's line of hydraulic torque wrenches delivers serious force, with top models reaching up to 33,895 Nm of torque. These wrenches are engineered for use not only at heights, but also in explosive environments. The DSX 1500 model, for example, provides 1,913 Nm of torque and is priced at $5,842. Estwing's Rock Pick was made with geologists in mind. Weighing 624 grams, it's forged from a single piece of steel and features a patented handle that cuts down vibration by 70%. It sells for $40. Even a wire stripper can be a work of art, as Knipex proves with the Evo Strip. The ergonomic handle is carefully designed to prevent hand strain, and the tool is self-adjusting. It works for diameters from 5 to 22 mm, making it suitable for ribbon cables, as well as solid multi-stranded and finely stranded conductors with plastic or rubber insulation. The Evo Strip is priced at $72. Dreaming of a perfect garden? These cordless shears will help you get there. Weighing just 600 grams, they're light enough for one-handed use. The set includes 2 interchangeable cutting heads, one for trimming grass, the other for shaping bushes. This handy tool is available for $50. The WMD200 and WMD500 are 2 handy digital protractors equipped with high-contrast LCD displays. They include a hold function to store measurements and a 0 function for switching to incremental mode. The models measure 20 and 50 centimeters in length, and they're priced around $60. Milwaukee's cordless bandsaw is not just compact, but one of the lightest on the market. Weighing just over 3 kilograms with the battery, it's designed for one-handed operation. Despite its small size, it offers a cutting depth of 6 centimeters. A brushless motor and constant power technology give it the fastest cutting speed in its class. It retails for $274. The CapPro 389 Stud Finder identifies hidden wiring, metal and wooden studs through drywall and other wall materials. Detection depth varies by material, up to 18 mm for wood, 38 mm for non-ferrous metals, and 75 mm for wiring and ferrous metals. The Stud Finder is priced at $28. The Interscroll OMA 7612 stands out for its record-setting cutting depth, 18 mm with a 76 mm disc. This angle grinder also comes equipped with an adjustable base plate and built-in lighting. The tool is priced at $61. The IN20 combines 2 functions in one tool, making it useful for installing brackets and hooks on utility poles. It tensions metal strapping up to 1 mm thick and 20 mm wide, and then cuts it using a built-in rotary blade. The IN20 is available for $82. The Inco team brings another mini angle grinder to this roundup. With a 76mm disc and speeds of up to 19,500 RPM, it makes quick work of cutting and grinding a variety of materials. Overload, overheating, and dust protection features make it safer for everyday use. A great choice for DIYers and professionals alike, especially at $51. The mini caliper from Liebherr is a pocket-sized helper for quickly measuring nuts and bolt heads from 8 to 25 mm. No need to fumble with wrenches, just pull this tool from your pocket and get an instant reading. It's priced at $19. The ClickSet multi-tool weighs only 32 grams, but it replaces an entire toolkit, from a nail puller to a cutter. It even includes an Eternal pen that writes without ink on nearly any surface. Marketed as an everyday carry tool, the ClickSet sells for $45. Would you take it everywhere? Let us know in the comments. The Knipex DPT50 is designed for working with thick-walled plastic pipes with diameters of 30, 40 and 50 mm. The tool performs both cutting and beveling in a single pass. Its spring-loaded blade eliminates the need for constant readjustment. The DPT50 is priced at $95. The PD01 is a punch-down tool for installing twisted pair cables into patch panels. It supports 110 type and Krona contacts, includes a built-in cutter, and features a hook and a plunger for precision work. Weighing just 54 grams, this tool is a bargain at $6. The Genmitsu Cubico is a clever little CNC machine that combines milling and laser engraving. It works with a wide range of materials from glass to metals, and thanks to its plus or minus 0.1 mm precision, it's even suitable for PCB milling. The company has also announced a polishing module coming soon. For now, the version with both laser and milling modules is available for $370. The BLI DRC Zero cordless impact driver is compact but powerful. It delivers 3,000 RPM, a torque of 124 Nm, and weighs just 600 grams. It's especially well suited for working in tight spaces. The BLI DRC Zero is priced at $152. This digital multimeter measures both AC and DC voltage and current, as well as resistance. The large backlit display makes readings easy to see without straining your eyes. Thanks to the auto voltage detection and a data hold function, the workflow becomes even smoother. It's available for $49. The Paint Eater Disc Sander is built for stripping old paint from wood, concrete, and even masonry. It delivers a speed of 2,600 RPM and uses a special disc that's gentle on surfaces while minimizing dust and paint particle buildup. The sander is available for $90. If you're tired of using a regular screwdriver, consider switching to an electric one. The eAssist model delivers up to 10 Nm of torque and reaches speeds of up to 12,000 revolutions per minute. A bright LED light helps when working with fasteners in dark or hard-to-reach areas. The DeWalt DCE 710 is the world's first cordless tool developed specifically for deburring both the inside and outside edges of metal and plastic pipes up to 50 mm in diameter. It delivers professional results without the need for cords or nearby power outlets.